Wow, that is a very big box, Ingo. What's inside the box?
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Padala ni Tio Victor.
Let's open it.
Teka muna. Merong padalang sulat. Kailangan basahin muna natin. Ingo, this is the bicycle that you helped me assemble. This is for you. I had to disassemble it so that it can fit in the box. I know that you can reassemble it. Uncle Victor. Aha! Sa wakas! Ay, thank you, Tio Victor. Meron na rin akong magagamit sa pagpunta sa bayan kapag may pinabibili si Inay. Tapos, meron na rin akong magagamit na pang-igib ng tubig sa may bukal. Salamat po. Salamat po. Ayan.
Wow! It's a bicycle. A very old bicycle. Now you have to reassemble it.
Reassemble?
Yes, because it's disassembled.
Reassemble, disassemble. What are they?
Disassemble. The root word is assemble, which means to put together. Then he added the prefix dis to the beginning of the word, which means not. It could also mean the opposite of. So, disassemble means to take apart.
So the opposite of assemble is disassemble.
That is correct.
What's reassemble?
Reassemble. The root word is
I know. Assemble. Assemble means to put together. Tama ba?
That's right. And he added the prefix re, which means again.
Karen, alam ko na yata ibig sabihin niyan eh. Ha? Makinig ka. Re means again. Assemble means to put together. So, reassemble means together again. Or my tears can stop
you
falling.
sing well, Ingo. You sing well.
See? I can do it. Now, give me more prefixes. Try me.
Okay. Let's see. Let's try connect.
Connect. I will assemble the prefix dis to the word connect, and what do we have? Disconnect.
Oh, that's good, Ingo. That's very good.
Now, I will disassemble disconnect. I will remove the prefix dis and reassemble the prefix re to the root word connect, and what do we have? Reconnect. Disconnect. Reconnect. Disconnect. Reconnect. Disconnect. Reconnect. Disconnect. Reconnect.
Right.
Ingo, please antay. Ingo, please antay.
Hello. What seems to be the problem?
Problem? There is no problem. I'm waiting.
Waiting? What for? Waiting for what?
Hey, Mangkulas, tell her.
Karen, can you please tell Ingo to untie the knot?
Exactly. I'm waiting. Antay.
Oh.
Antay.
Oo nga. Okay. Ingo, Mangkulas is asking that you untie the knot. Untie.
Oh?
Untie. The root word is tie, which means to make a knot. An comes in the beginning of the word, so...
Ah, an is a prefix.
Exactly. An means not or the reverse of. So untie means the reverse of making a knot or to loosen a knot.
Kalasin pala. Antay.
Yes.
Antay. Antay. Tay.
Have some mangoes.
Oh, thank you.
Rico po!
Are you okay? What happened?
Nagbibisikleta ako. Tapos, biglang may tumakang aso. Tapos, iniwasan ko. Kaya bumangga ako dyan sa puno. Aray.
I saw you, Ingo. You were going very fast. Your hands were not on the handlebars.
Galing ko, no? Aray.
Ingo, that's very dangerous. Look what happened to you. Oh, you should take care. You should be careful. Oh, come. Come. Do not be careless.
Careful. Careless.
Read this. Come on, go.
Please take care. Be careful that you don't crash into people, animals, and things. Do not ride so fast. Do not be careless. Careful, careless. Pareho simula. Care.
That is correct, Ingo.
The prefixes are full and less.
That is wrong. They are suffixes. Full and less are suffixes. A suffix is found at the end of a root word. At the end.
Suffixes? Ano yun?
Okay? Oh, sorry. A suffix. The suffix full means full of, while the suffix less...
Less, ibig sabihin, kulang.
Correct. And it could also mean without. Without.
Without. Be careful. Do not be careless. Now, I am bikeless. Yung aso kasi.
No. Well, wait, you were going too fast. You were going too fast.
Kasalanan niya
No,
dumaan.
you're going too fast.
Alam, babalik mo.
Well, you should be careful. Be careful.
Karen, gumawa ako ng paalaala para mabasa ko pag magbibisikleta ako. Tingnan mo.
Okay, let's see.
Ayan, ipapaskill ko dito para lagi kong nababasa at naaalala. Bicycle. B-I. Prefix. Unsafe. U-N. Prefix. Pro-heart. P-R-O. Prefix. Pro-environment. P-R-O. Prefix. Careful. F-U-L. Suffix. Careless. L-E-S-S. Suffix.
Very good, Ingo. I'm so proud of you.
Salamat po. I disassembled the words, and then I looked at the root words to know the meaning. And then I looked at the prefix and the suffix, and then I reassembled the words to know the meaning.
Oh, it's so good. Now, you know how to find the meaning of words with prefix and suffix.
Tama.
I am so proud.
Salamat.
So proud of you.
Thank you.
Very proud of you.
Thank you po.
Very
Hi, Darren! Hi, Ingo!
Hi.
Ingo, pwede mo ba akong turuan magbisikleta?
Aba, oo. Pero bago kita turuan, basahin mo muna yan.
Bicycle safety. Riding very fast is dangerous. Riding a bicycle using one hand only is unsafe. Riding a bicycle is pro-heart and pro-environment. Be careful. Do not be careless.
Yan! You should take care. For example, before riding your bicycle, you should check your brakes and tires. You should be careful.
Careful?
Be careful. Halimbawa, kailangan iwasan mong makabangga ng mga tao, mga hayop, mga halaman, kung ano-ano pang mga bagay.
Riding a bicycle using one hand only is unsafe.
Unsafe, meaning not safe. Halimbawa, nagbibisikleta ka ng pagkabilis-bilis, tapos may tumawid na kalabaw. Ano mangyayari?
Baka mabangga ko yung kalabaw.
Oo nga!
Oo nga!
Tara, magbisikleta na tayo.
Huli ka na! Sandali na, katuturuan ko lang magbisikleta daw, ha? Ayan.
Carrots were